Good morning, friend. Let's talk about daily commodity commentary and technical level. Yesterday, we have seen that gold prices increased by 0.21% and closed at 48,400. Silver price also increased by 0.39% and closed at 69,681. In international market, gold is trading around $18.26 per ounce. Silver is trading around $26.34 per ounce. The trend of gold and silver are positive on the back of weakness in dollar and lower bond yield. For today, we are expecting a positive trend may continue in gold and silver prices. For today, gold support at 48,000, resistance 48,800. Silver support 68,800, resistance 70,300. The trend of base metal gold and silver are positive, so trader can go for buy in gold and silver for intraday perspective. Now let's talk about the base metal. Yesterday we have seen that copper prices increased sharply by 0.96%. Zinc price also increased by 1.09%. Aluminum price also increased, lead price also increased sharply by 0.42%, and however aluminum prices closed on a flat note. Nickel price increased sharply by 1.07%. The trend of base metal are also positive on the back of weakness in dollar, so trader can go for buy in base metal for intraday perspective. For today, copper support at 720, resistance 736, zinc support at 237, resistance 244, lead support at 176, resistance 181, nickel support at 1386, resistance 1430, aluminum support at 195, resistance 202. The trend of base metal are positive, so trader can go for buy in all the base metal. Now let's talk about the crude oil. Yesterday we have seen that crude oil prices corrected sharply by 1.28%, closed at 5381. And we have saw the same trend in the natural gas. It corrected by 0.59% and closed at 271.10. The trend of crude oil and natural gas are sideways to down on the back of lower demand. So today we are expecting a negative trend may continue in crude oil and in natural gas. For today, crude oil support at 5290, resistance 5490. WTI crude oil support at 70.50, resistance 72.50. Brent crude support at 72.50, resistance 74.50. Natural gas support at 263, resistance 280. So for today we are expecting a negative trend, so trader can go for short in crude oil and in natural gas for intraday perspective. We hope that you will be benefited from this commentary. Thank you.